These sold out, tough to get Air Jordans will go up in price. I think these are gonna skyrocket. This is your last chance to get yourself a pair of the reimagined Jordan 3s for completely free. All you guys need to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button right now, join the Moore family, leave a comment, let me know your size in the reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof. Send me a picture, send me a screenshot, DM me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers this year, so please make sure you guys subscribe, and you could possibly win a pair of reimagined 3s for completely free. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm now verified. You'll know it's me. No more scammers, thankfully. So please make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Give me a follow, DannyMoore2369. If you would like to win hype sneakers like the reimagined 3s, the Thunder 4s, and other hype sneakers for just 20 bucks, sometimes $25, make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram. The day this video drops, I'm giving away some sneakers for just $20 over on Instagram. Make sure you guys give me a follow. I bought this pair of Jordans from Stadium Goods. Once again, shout out to Stadium Goods. They got here in just like 2 days. So fast with the shipping and paying about StockX price. So, hey, I'll take it. It's coming in a lot faster. Shout out to Stadium Goods for these right here. I had to go ahead and buy this pair of Air Jordans. Now, prices have dropped. I'm looking to buy some pairs because I do believe that this Air Jordan will go up in price. I'm not a big fan of these whatsoever. Last week, I kind of like crapped all over the shoe. I'm just not a fan of them. But in this video, I'm going to discuss resale big time because I have a feeling these are going to do really well. Sneakerheads, Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags on earth. It's an actual backpack, guys, that holds your sneakers, your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. There's actual compartments to store your sneakers. How amazing, how fire is that? These backpacks are very high quality. Don't worry about the prices that you guys see on screen. Please click the link down below in the description. Don't worry about those prices on the website. Like I said, you're going to be able to use my code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. It's going to take off almost half off of those prices on their website. So please check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags on earth, and use my promo code to save 40% off. I absolutely love Sole Premise bags, guys. I use them all the time. They hold your sneakers. These bags are perfect for you guys, so please be sure you guys check them out. Click my link. They have tons of different bags, all different colors, all different styles, and like I said, they're all made to store and hold your sneakers safely when you're traveling. They're amazing. They're straight fire. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. If you guys would like me to do a full video talking about Stadium Goods, are they legit? Do they sell fake sneakers? Make sure you guys hit that like button for me. If this video can get 300 likes, I'll make that video happen. I'll buy sneakers again from Stadium Goods. Stadium Goods is not cheap, as you guys know. Sometimes they have decent prices, sometimes sales, sometimes it's way over market. I had to do what I had to do to get these in hand now. I needed them now. People want these. They're in demand, and I'm looking to help that demand a little bit as much as I can because these are flying. I already got rid of the other pair. These are gonna fly. They're gonna move. These are moving for people so quick. Hype is through the roof. Demand is through the roof. And I don't know if it's gonna slow down. Eventually it will. But listen, they're moving. They're moving like crazy. And prices have dropped. I do think they're going back up. They're going back up quickly and may even surpass what they were originally at, because smaller sizes are sitting at around $320, $330. Bigger sizes at around $400. I do expect these to be around $450, potentially even a $500 shoe, which is crazy. This is a Jordan 4, and it's the first of its kind when it comes to the Air Jordan 4. We've never had this collaboration before. Personally, not a fan on this sneaker. I just needed to buy them because I have a friend asking for them. So listen, I need to do what I need to do. If my friend backs out, it is what it is. I'll have them. It is what it is. The Air Jordan 4. Jeez, Nike SB. Listen, they're crazy. That tag right there, guys, is the Stadium Goods tag. All Stadium Goods sneakers come with the tag, an authentication tag. The Jordan 4 Nike SB. Hype is through the roof. Demand is through the roof. Even though the prices have dropped, people still are asking crazy high prices. People want their money for these. Good money for them, and it's not going to slow down heavily at all. It's a Jordan 4. The hype on Jordan 4s, as you guys know, is extremely high right now. Demand is through the roof. And, like I said, it's the first of its kind with that Nike SB. We've never had it before on a Jordan 4. We've had it on Jordan 1s, and this is what's leading me to believe these are going to go up. This is just my opinion. I want to make that very clear. When you guys look at the market on Jordan 1 Nike SBs, most of them have been really good holds. All the hype ones, all the ones that are really in demand and had good resale right off the jump, have all gone up in price. They've all gone up. If it was at around $250, $300, they're now at like $450, $500 sneakers. They've all gone up. All of them. All of them. And it's a Jordan 1. Right now, we got the hype and demand of the Jordan 4. I don't see it slowing down. I think this might be the low price point, and they're just going to go up. I think it's a good hold. If you have capital, I think it's a good hold. I think these will go up. The colorway's there. The color blocking's there. Everything's there potentially for them to go up in price. And the fact that these were tough to get. We got to talk about them. These were tough. These were not easy to get. These were more limited than your normal Jordan 4. Why? Because of that Nike SB. You guys know how it goes when it comes to Nike SBs and skate shops. They're known for backdooring. It's what it is in the game. It's just how it is. These were backdoored heavily, and it definitely has helped the price, stay high. But they were tough. Even on the sneakers app, there was not a lot of pairs compared to your normal, typical Jordan 4 release, or compared to even the reimagined 3s, which is a little high. But still, compared to your normal Jordan 4 release, they didn't have as many pairs. There was a lot of L's. This was tough. They were tough to get, and I don't see them slowing down in price anymore. This is it, in my opinion, and they'll go back up to where they were at. We'll see those smaller prices go back up probably to like $370, $380, and those bigger sizes, man, $450, they could touch even $500, which is crazy to me. Crazy. I'm not a fan of these personally, but they're still a Jordan 4 Nike SB at the end of the day. So I like that factor. I just don't like the sneaker for what it is, in my opinion. It's not a must cop. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 4 Nike SBs down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.